Don't be having this joint all up in your face. It'll burn your pores right off your face. I look crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is sponsored by me. Your girl needed a self-care day, and I figured, you know what better way to get myself together than to give myself a self-care day, okay? That means skin, nails, hair, and makeup. I just want to feel put together, that's all. I want to feel and look good for a little bit, if only for a moment. The timestamps for this video will be listed down below, so you guys can just click through what you want to see. Whatever you want to see, it's in the video. I even started my brows on camera for you guys. Look at it, who am I? Everything in this video is like $40 to $50 and below. That's it, okay? So very inexpensive. All the products will be listed down below, and if I have links for them, they will also be linked down below. So make sure you check the description box before you ask me any questions. Just saying, just saying. But before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, let me put on some Vaseline on my lips because they are ashy. They dry, okay, like a crackhead. Goodness gracious. So my pores are pretty much closed down that I have been out the shower for a little bit, so I'm going to use my steamer for a little bit just to get my pores to open back up before I do my skincare. My skincare is pretty much the same day or night. I may change one or two products or add in one or two products depending on when I'm doing the skincare, but for the most part today you're going to see my legit skincare routine. The one thing that I do need to add into my skincare routine is SPF. I just haven't found the one that I like yet, so if you have an SPF that you use that you actually like, link that joint down below so I can check it out for myself, because help your girl out, okay, down below. So we have our steamer right here. She is ready to go. Let me turn her on. I got this joint from Amazon. It is like the nano steamer or something like that. I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out if you want one. It was, I think it was like $30. You just fill up with water right here, turn that joint on, and you wait for it to start steaming, okay? And just like that, she ready to go. So once she get hot, okay? So you don't be having this joint all up in your face. It'll burn your pores right off your face, okay? We don't want that. Now usually I'm sitting down doing this, but because, you know, I'm showing you guys, that's why I'm all up in the steamer. Okay, so now that our skin is pretty much damp and our pores are open, we're gonna go into the first step of our skincare routine. I swear by this stuff. My girl Patty put me onto it. It is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. I have what I like to call sensitive skin. I just don't like to put a lot of stuff on my face, so I definitely like to use this to remove my makeup, any oil, any dirt or whatever. I like to use this stuff, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling super dry. It deep cleans into the skin, and it's really good for all skin types. However, today I'm going to be doing a detox mask for my first step. I've been using this for almost a month now, and it's actually gotten my skin together when I have any type of like clogging or like breakouts, or if I need to just purify my skin a little bit more, I actually like to use this. It is a TeamiBlends Detox Green Tea Blend Mask. It comes with matcha, lemongrass, and clay, and so you put it on your face and you leave it for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how fast it dries down. You can definitely use this as a spot treatment. Release the inner beast. Let me try to get my nose, because those pores on my nose be clocking there, girl. Now I do have a coupon code for TeamiBlends, so if you want to check this product out or any other products that I have in this video, you can definitely do that. They will be linked down below in the description box, okay? Let me give myself about 8 to 10 minutes, and then I'll be back and we'll clean this off, okay? Okay, so next I'm going to use my toner. This is the Dickinson's toner. I got it from Walmart for like, I think it's like $5. This is a pore perfecting toner, so I like to use it because I do have large pores, especially around my nose and my cheek area. Okay, and now I'm going to use some eye patches. Normally I use these at night, but because I'm showing you guys my skincare routine, I want to show you guys these during the day. You only need to put these on maybe 2 to 3 times a week. But these are eye patches made with aloe vera. I got these from Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's a Korean based company, but again, I will link them down below. These do sell out really fast, so the last time I tried to restock on these joints, they were already sold out. It comes with a little spatula so you can pick it up, and these definitely help with like my dark circles and things like that. Any eye puffiness, it's perfect, y'all. Definitely go in with the spatula, use it to pick it up, because I just literally ripped this one, so yeah, don't do that. And I just pretty much leave these until they start to dry down. That Q-tip be putting you to sleep. Like that. Hey? Do I look awake? Do I look awake? Can y'all see the difference? Y'all see how... Do y'all see this? Okay, so next up we have our serum. This is my TeamiBlends Vitamin C Collagen Infused Serum. It comes with hibiscus and vitamin C. It also has hyaluronic acid. I love this stuff. It's for brightening and tightening. You put 3 pumps in your hand, move it around, and then you put that joint on your face. I love this serum. I have been using this since December of last year, y'all. It is very hydrating. It leaves my skin feeling really nice and tight. Now it does feel a little sticky before it dries down completely, so don't be alarmed by that. Then I'm going to use my TeamiBlends Repair Facial Oil. This is where you want to do any type of oils, facial oils or whatever that you have in your skincare. It's perfect for facial hydration and I really like to use it. Comes with the dropper, 3 drops in your hand. Okay, that's all you need. Rub it in, and then you just pat it into your skin. It has vitamin E in it. It has a jojoba oil. It's perfect for hydration, okay? And then I have my glow oil. This is the Teami Glow Facial Oil infused with rose petals, cinnamon bark, and jojoba oil to provide the skin with a dewy hydration and natural glow. Rub it through the fingers, warm it up, and then press it into the skin. I didn't like to use a lot of oil on my face because I felt like I was oily, so why would I put more oil on my face? You actually want to put oil on your face. You want to keep your skin hydrated because your skin is pretty much stripped down when you do all your skincare. So you want to put oil back into your face to give yourself proper hydration. And these oils are not super heavy. They don't clog the pores. So, you know, I'm here for that. And then the last thing that I do before I finish up is that I go in and use my spin brush system. I got it from Amazon. It will link down below as well. And it comes with different pads. So I use it for like face cleaning, things like that. The one that I want to use is for my other one. I have 2 of these brushes and the other brush has this actual like little massager thing on it. So I'm going to put that one on there. Okay, and I'm going to use that one under my chin and around like my chin area and this just helps tighten my skin around my jawbone and also around my chin. I also have a jade roller. It's actually in the fridge right now, but I like to roll my face in the morning when I get up and at night, which also helps. I would definitely say use a jade roller because it definitely tightens your skin and lifts things up and keeps it all, you know, up here and not down here. Okay. And then last but not least, I like to use a facial moisturizer. This is the thickest product that I use, and that's why I use it last. Just to lock in everything that I just did, I use the Pond's Dry Skin Facial Moisturizing Cream. It's good for sensitive skin. I only use a little teeny bit, like that's even too much, okay? A little teeny bit goes a long way. And then I just rub that joint in. I don't use a lot of this. You don't need a lot of it. It's very moisturizing, especially because you just did all the other work. So, yeah. Okay, just lock all that in. I'm feeling real, my skin feeling, Ooh, y'all, if y'all can feel my skin right now, I'm here for that. I do need some chapstick though. Where's my Vaseline? Okay, next up we're gonna do some nails. So I did do a fall nail haul recently and I picked up a lot of new nails. If you guys have not seen my full on collection yet, if you wanna see that, make sure you comment down below that you wanna see it. But I did pick up some new nails. I can't help myself. Every time I see some new ones, I just wanna grab and grab and grab. Most of them are from Kiss, but these ones are from Salon Perfect. So these ones are new from Jelly Fantasy and then the Masterpiece collection. Now these ones were like $10, almost $11 in the store. Still very inexpensive. It comes with the nail filer, the glue, everything you need to put your nails on. You guys know I like to use my own glue that I get. It's by Kiss. It is the Max Speed nail glue. That's what that looks like. A lot of you guys still ask me the glue that I use even though I show it every single video. Kiss Powerflex Max Speed nail glue. It dries in like 3 seconds. It's super fast and yeah, I like using that glue. I do need to prep my nails though because my nails are a little janky because I just took off my other press-ons. That was the fall video, so I need to get my natural nails together. This is an important step. Do not forget to buff your natural nail. You want to make sure you have a good barrier between the nail, the glue, and the press-on, okay? This definitely helps adhere the press-on and keeps it lasting a little bit longer. And even at the nail salon, they buff your nail before they start any type of nail application. So it's the same thing when you do your press-ons. I do like the Masterpiece nails because they normally come very, very fitted to my actual nail anyway. They do have a natural curve to them, so they hug your nail really, really nicely. So this set comes with 30 nails and 12 of them are accent nails. It's like all the other nails, they do come with the size, so that's a size 7 right there. You want the nail to fit and hug your natural nail perfectly. If there was any type of overlapping of the nail, you just go in and file that on the side. And then I'm going to take my nail file and I'm going to file the tips of my nail. As you can see here, I do have that those little tabs on the nails. You want to get those off. I'm going to take a little bit of my oil right here. I'm just going to put it on my cuticles. Put a little bit of lotion on. All right, so nails are done. I think they look really good, y'all. They fit really, really well. Ooh, they look good, y'all. They look good. I'm about to be showing out. Okay, and now time for some hair. Okay, so if you do not know, I do have PCOS, and PCOS does cause hair thinning or actual balding. It causes male pattern like baldness. Obviously for a woman it sucks. So I have lost a lot of hair in the middle of my head over the years, and I have actually been able to grow it back slowly but surely. It's not completely grown back in, but it's grown in enough that I have noticed, and even Kenny has noticed, that I've been able to cover up like my actual bald spot with hair because it has grown back so much. So if you guys want to see an actual tutorial of like my hair growth and stuff like that, let me know down below. I'll think about it. Okay, it is very personal to me, so it's not something that I just want to show and just be, you know, judged about. So most of the times when you show something like that, you get met with like, oh, you should do this, or oh, it's because of this. But no, I know why my hair is the way that it is. I know how to fix it for myself. Okay, I know me. Y'all see those grays in there? Good. Look at those grays. Look at these kids stressing me out. I don't know if you guys can see, but you guys can see a little bit of the balding right here. Literally, this hair that I have braided right here, all of this was gone. I had no hair right there. Okay, so I've been able to grow all of that hair back, and still some areas is a little patchy, but it's still, the hair is still growing in there. I have learned to leave my hair alone. The only time my hair has ever grown for me is when I legit leave it alone. And when I say leave it alone, I mean leave it alone. Literally, I will leave my little plaits or cornrows or whatever under my wigs for about 2 months. Sometimes, I think the longest I've left them was like 3 months. I maybe moisturize my edges and put a little bit of oil, you know, through the parts and everything. Other than that though, I did nothing to the hair. Not wash, not condition, not nothing. And y'all, my hair took off. Like, it legit took off in the middle of here. I don't know what that's about. My mom's hair is the same way. My daughter's hair is the same way. Even though she has a different grain of hair than I do, her hair is the exact same way. I look crazy. When I was younger, my mom just greased my scalp and that was it. She didn't do a whole bunch of products and all that kind of stuff that you gotta do these days. It wasn't all that. So I'm going back to my tried and true, what I know. And what I know to let my hair grow is Blue Magic, okay? I may use some oils, but I always come back to my tried and true Blue Magic conditioner hairdress, along with a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil. I used to use the, what's it called? The kaleidoscope, you know, drops, whatever. Those are good. That does work, okay? It does grow back your edges. I have used that, and it did grow back my edges back in like 2017. But since I've limited the products that I use, I just went back to my castor oil and my grease, and that's it. I rub that in there, stimulate my edges. Let me take my glasses off. My light is a little close to my face. Now I do wash my hair. I don't want you guys to think I don't wash my hair. I do wash my hair after I take my plaits out. Now, I just changed my plaits, so I just washed my hair about a week ago. So for today's look, I'm going to be using a half wig. This is a very affordable half wig. It's the Outre Quick Weave, styled in 60 seconds, Ashani wig. I got her in the color 1B. Pretty sure she's like $15 or something like that, but the price will be down here on the screen so you know exactly how much she is. This curl pattern is gorgeous. Very, very pretty. The hair texture is very soft. It has some snags in there. This does come with the long comb across the front, just like all the other Outre Quick Weave units. The comb in the back and the adjustable straps. That's how those half wigs used to look, and then you have to blend your hair in and things like that. All right, so now if I put a headband on with this, let me show you. Okay, so that's how this would look with the headband, okay? She's still very secure in there. She's very sturdy, very pretty. But for the look that I want today, I want to do a half up, half down with my unit. Okay, and now to complete our self-care, we're gonna do a little bit of makeup. So I'm gonna do my brows first. I'm gonna fill them in ever so slightly. I'm using my Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. Almost forgot, I need to put on my primer. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin. Use some of my translucent powder under my eye here, under my nose. Blend that product all in. I'm gonna use some of my soft focus powder. It's gonna put some of that under my brow, down into the crease, all over my lid. Let's do a little bit of our foundation. Come on. Okay, well, tell Jaden to give you some chips. Where is your dad? I finally figured out why that gel turns white. I cannot use the Ebin Edge Control with the black Edge Control. It doesn't, the formulas don't mix, so it turns the actual Edge Control white. Now I look awake, now I look awake. Bring that all in together. You're not using a whole bunch of product, okay? Then I'm gonna take a damp sponge and my translucent powder. Take a little bit of my contour over here on my cheeks. Okay, give me a chin, give me a chin. Contour a little bit of my nose. Using a little bit of my contour shade, not a lot. So I'm not gonna do eyelashes today, but I am gonna use my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. This is Lash Paradise. And then today I'm gonna use a new gloss. This is by Cardi Galore. That's my girl, she's on Instagram. She just started her own lip gloss line, and this is her color Champagne. So pretty, you guys. I've been wearing it in my last few videos. It has like a peachy undertone to it, but it still goes on pretty clear. I like how it just gives the lips like a very juicy, like, y'all see what I'm talking about? Okay. It does have some stickiness to it, but not a lot. Still got a little bit of excess stuff right there on my hairline. I still got on my pajamas, but it's okay. I'm gonna look cute in the house. I look cute, I feel cute, I'm happy. That's it. Everything you saw in this video, if there's a link to it, I will list it down below, so make sure you guys check that out if you want to. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.